If you can score at least 80 out of 100 on this ultimate general knowledge quiz, your trivia skills are seriously impressive. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's begin.
Question 1. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Auckland, Christchurch, Wellington, or Hamilton? The correct answer is option C, Wellington. Question 2. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune? The correct answer is option B, Saturn. Question 3. What is the hardest known natural material on Earth? Granite, quartz, diamond, or obsidian? The correct answer is option C, diamond. Question 4. Who wrote the famous novel Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen, Emily Bronte, Mary Shelley, or Virginia Woolf? The correct answer is option A, Jane Austen. Question 5. What is the chemical symbol for iron? IR, Fe, In, or I? The correct answer is option B, Fe. Question 6. Which country is known as the Emerald Isle? Scotland, Ireland, Wales, or Iceland? The correct answer is option B, Ireland. Question 7. What is the largest bone in the human body? Tibia, fibula, femur, or humerus? The correct answer is option C, femur. Question 8. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Mother Teresa, Rosalind Franklin, Marie Curie, or Ada Lovelace? The correct answer is option C, Marie Curie. Question 9. What is the longest river in Asia? Mekong, Ganges, Yangtze, or Indus? The correct answer is option C, Yangtze. Question 10. In which year did the Titanic sink? 1905, 1912, 1920, or 1931? The correct answer is option B, 1912. Question 11. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or hydrogen? The correct answer is option C, nitrogen. Question 12. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, or Pacific? The correct answer is option D, Pacific. Question 13. What is 15 times 15? 200, 225, 250, or 275? The correct answer is option B, 225. Question 14. Who painted The Scream? Edvard Munch, Claude Monet, Pablo Picasso, or Salvador Dalí? The correct answer is option A, Edvard Munch. Question 15. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, or Canberra? The correct answer is option D, Canberra. Question 16. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, or Mercury? The correct answer is option B, Mars. Question 17. What is the official currency of Canada? Pound, euro, Canadian dollar, or peso? The correct answer is option C, Canadian dollar. Question 18. Who wrote The Lord of the Rings? C.S. Lewis, J.R.R. Tolkien, George R.R. Martin, or J.K. Rowling? The correct answer is option B, J.R.R. Tolkien. Question 19. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Arabian, Gobi, or Antarctic? The correct answer is option D, Antarctic. Question 20. What is the chemical formula for water? CO2, H2O, O2, or NaCl? The correct answer is option B, H2O. Question 21. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? Asia, South America, Africa, or Australia? The correct answer is option C, Africa. Question 22. Who developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, or Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is option B, Albert Einstein. Question 23. What is the highest mountain peak in North America? Mount Elbert, Mount Logan, Denali, or Mount Whitney? The correct answer is option C, Denali. Question 24. Which element has the atomic number 1? Helium, oxygen, carbon, or hydrogen? The correct answer is option D, hydrogen. Question 25. What is the capital of Sweden? Oslo, Copenhagen, Helsinki, or Stockholm? The correct answer is option D, Stockholm. Question 26. In which year did World War I begin? 1912, 1914, 1918, or 1931? The correct answer is option B, 1914. Question 27. What is the largest mammal in the world? African elephant, blue whale, giraffe, or hippopotamus? The correct answer is option B, blue whale. Question 28. What is the second most spoken native language in the world? English, Spanish, Hindi, or Arabic? The correct answer is option B, Spanish. Question 29. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Au, Ag, Gd, or Go? The correct answer is option A, Au. Question 30. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Raphael, Donatello, Leonardo da Vinci, or Michelangelo? The correct answer is option D, Michelangelo.
Question 31. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? Monaco, Nauru, Vatican City, or San Marino? The correct answer is option C, Vatican City. Question 32. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Earth, Mercury, or Mars? The correct answer is option C, Mercury. Question 33. What is the most widely spoken language in South America? Portuguese, Spanish, English, or French? The correct answer is option B, Spanish. Question 34. Who wrote the novel Moby Dick? Mark Twain, Herman Melville, Charles Dickens, or F. Scott Fitzgerald? The correct answer is option B, Herman Melville. Question 35. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Tomato, onion, avocado, or lime? The correct answer is option C, avocado. Question 36. What is the capital city of Kenya? Nairobi, Mombasa, Kampala, or Dodoma? The correct answer is option A, Nairobi. Question 37. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? The correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question 38. What is the currency of Japan? Won, yuan, yen, or ringgit? The correct answer is option C, yen. Question 39. Who was the first emperor of Rome? Julius Caesar, Augustus, Nero, or Caligula? The correct answer is option B, Augustus. Question 40. What is the fastest land animal? Lion, cheetah, leopard, or gazelle? The correct answer is option B, cheetah. Question 41. In which city is the Eiffel Tower located? London, Berlin, Rome, or Paris? The correct answer is option D, Paris. Question 42. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? 0, 32, 100, or -10? The correct answer is option A, 0. Question 43. Who is credited with inventing the World Wide Web? Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Tim Berners-Lee, or Mark Zuckerberg? The correct answer is option C, Tim Berners-Lee. Question 45. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Heart, brain, lungs, or liver? The correct answer is option D, liver. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Asia, South America, Africa, or Antarctica? The correct answer is option C, Africa.
Question 46. What is the currency of India? Rupee, taka, rupiah, or baht? The correct answer is option A, rupee.
Question 47. Who painted The Starry Night? Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, or Salvador Dali?
The correct answer is option B, Vincent van Gogh. Question 48. What is the capital of Italy? Venice, Florence, Rome, or Milan? The correct answer is option C, Rome. Question 49. Which bone is the longest bone in the human body? Femur, tibia, humerus, or radius? The correct answer is option A, femur. Question 50. In what year did humans first land on the moon? 1965, 1969, 1972, or 1980? The correct answer is option B, 1969.
Question 51. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Iron, diamond, graphene, or quartz? The correct answer is option B, diamond. Question 52. Which ocean lies on the east coast of the United States? Pacific, Indian, Atlantic, or Arctic? The correct answer is option C, Atlantic. Question 53. What is the main ingredient in hummus? Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, or kidney beans? The correct answer is option B, chickpeas. Question 54. Who is known as the father of computers? Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Alan Turing, or Charles Babbage? The correct answer is option D, Charles Babbage. Question 55. What is the capital of Egypt? Alexandria, Giza, Luxor, or Cairo? The correct answer is option D, Cairo. Question 56. Which planet is famous for its rings? Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, or Saturn? The correct answer is option D, Saturn. Question 57. What is the chemical symbol for silver? SO, Na, Nd, or Sn? The correct answer is option B, Na. Question 58. Who wrote 1984? George Orwell, Aldous Huxley, Ray Bradbury, or J.D. Salinger? The correct answer is option A, George Orwell. Question 59. What is the longest river in the world? Amazon, Yangtze, Nile, or Mississippi? The correct answer is option C, Nile. Question 60. What is the currency of Switzerland? Euro, Swiss franc, krona, or dollar? The correct answer is option B, Swiss franc. Question 61. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Horse, elephant, camel, or donkey? The correct answer is option C, camel. Question 62. What is the capital of Spain? Barcelona, Seville, Valencia, or Madrid? The correct answer is option D, Madrid. Question 63. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Root, stem, leaf, or flower? The correct answer is option C, leaf. Question 64. Who discovered penicillin? Marie Curie, Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, or Jonas Salk? The correct answer is option C, Alexander Fleming. Question 65. What is the largest island in the world? Australia, Greenland, New Guinea, or Madagascar? The correct answer is option B, Greenland. Question 66. In what year did World War II end? 1941, 1945, 1950, or 1960? The correct answer is option B, 1945. Question 67. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Si, Ag, Au, or Sv? The correct answer is option B, Ag. Question 68. Which country is the largest by land area? Canada, China, United States, or Russia? The correct answer is option D, Russia. Question 69. What is the capital of Germany? Munich, Frankfurt, Berlin, or Hamburg? The correct answer is option C, Berlin. Question 70. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Eagle, owl, dove, or swan? The correct answer is option C, dove. Question 71. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mars, Mercury, Venus, or Pluto? The correct answer is option B, Mercury. Question 72. Who painted The Last Supper? Michelangelo, Raphael, Leonardo da Vinci, or Titian? The correct answer is option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Question 73. What is the currency of Russia? Euro, ruble, lek, or lev? The correct answer is option B, ruble. Question 74. Which sport is known as the beautiful game? Basketball, cricket, tennis, or soccer? The correct answer is option D, soccer. Question 75. What is the capital of Brazil? Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Brasilia, or Salvador? The correct answer is option C, Brasilia. Question 76. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or argon? The correct answer is option C, nitrogen. Question 77. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? Theresa May, Margaret Thatcher, Queen Elizabeth, or Angela Merkel? The correct answer is option B, Margaret Thatcher. Question 78. What is the largest ocean in the world? Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, or Pacific? The correct answer is option D, Pacific. Question 79. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl, KCl, HCl, or NaOH?
The correct answer is option A, NaCl. Question 80. Which country has the most population? India, USA, China, or Indonesia? The correct answer is option A, India.
Question 81. What is the capital of South Korea? Pyongyang, Seoul, Busan, or Incheon? The correct answer is option B, Seoul. Question 82. Which insect is known for producing honey? Wasp, ant, bee, or butterfly? The correct answer is option C, bee. Question 83. Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? Harper Lee, Mark Twain, Ernest Hemingway, or F. Scott Fitzgerald? The correct answer is option A, Harper Lee. Question 84. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, incus, malleus, or phalanx? The correct answer is option A, stapes. Question 85. What is the currency of Mexico? Dollar, euro, peso, or real? The correct answer is option C, peso. Question 86. Which planet is known as the morning star? Mars, Venus, Mercury, or Jupiter? The correct answer is option B, Venus. Question 87. What is the capital of Argentina? Santiago, Lima, Bogota, or Buenos Aires? The correct answer is option D, Buenos Aires. Question 88. Which vitamin is produced when a person is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D? The correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Question 90. Who invented the light bulb? Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, or Benjamin Franklin? The correct answer is option B, Thomas Edison. Question 91. What is the largest continent? Africa, North America, Europe, or Asia? The correct answer is option D, Asia. Question 91. What is the currency of South Africa? Rand, Pula, Cedi, or Naira? The correct answer is option A, Rand. Question 92. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Elephant, ostrich, giraffe, or moose? The correct answer is option C, giraffe. Question 93. What is the capital of Thailand? Hanoi, Manila, Jakarta, or Bangkok? The correct answer is option D, Bangkok. Question 94. What is the hardest part of the human body? Skull, bone, enamel, or cartilage? The correct answer is option C, enamel. Question 95. Who painted The Girl with a Pearl Earring? Rembrandt, Johannes Vermeer, Jan van Eyck, or Peter Paul Rubens?
The correct answer is option B, Johannes Vermeer. Question 96. What is the currency of China? Yen, won, baht, or yuan? The correct answer is option D, yuan. Question 97. Which sea is located between Europe and Africa? Black Sea, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, or Caribbean Sea? The correct answer is option C, Mediterranean Sea. Question 98. What is the capital of France? Rome, Madrid, Berlin, or Paris? The correct answer is option D, Paris. Question 99. Which component of blood is responsible for fighting infections? Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, or plasma? The correct answer is option B, white blood cells. Question 100. What is the most spoken language in the world? English, Mandarin, Spanish, or Hindi? The correct answer is option A, English.
Out of 100 general knowledge questions, how many did you get right? Share your final score in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing.